Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. Looking at the calendar, we have Miss Sampson's daily announcement, the optional calendar for the kids to work on if they'd like to, and let's click on our learning goals for today. Kinders, you're going to practice counting by tens and ones with the super fast challenge. You can choose to do your workbook pages or a seesaw activity or both, and there is another game to play called Base 10 Practice. In reading, you're going to do day 4 of needs and wants, day 4 of phonics, and a seesaw activity. There is reading fluency. You can use any of the apps or your own books at home, ball words for word work, and another chapter of Magic Treehouse. For writing and journaling today, you can listen to the sentence song, and today write about something you want on your farm. I heard great stories yesterday of what animals need. Today it's what would you want if you had a farm. And then finally, you are going to do Hogwash Day 3 and learn about sheep today. So I shared a video yesterday about our Seesaw blog. And so when you go into your Seesaw journals today, I want you to click on when you do your journal writing and add it to our blog. That is the globe that's on the end of your work today. When we publish to the blog, we publish our best work, so make sure you do a good job and then hit the globe button after you've submitted it, all right? Okay, it's going to be fun, and then be sure to check out the blog and see your friends today. I hope everyone has a great day, gets to get outside and play, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.